I'm going to show you how to wrap an NPT thread with pipe tape because you've probably been doing it wrong the whole time. So first step, make sure that it's an NPT. Looks very similar to a straight thread. This is a BSPP, it has a gasket. It does not need pipe tape. People still be wrapping them in pipe tape. If in doubt, check for the very subtle taper. You can see that this is parallel, that's slightly tapered, getting bigger to the back. Also, you can check by threading it into the female fitting. Threads in nicely, as compared to this one that I made a mistake on earlier, does not want to go in. Next, make sure the threads are clean. If there's any other old tape or shmoo, use a brush or a knife or whatever you need to get it nice and clean. Put effort into this. We're gonna start wrapping them. I'm gonna use 4 wraps. Some standards say as little as 2, that's full. You need at least 3 wraps, maybe up to 5. A little bit of extra squishiness is gonna help, especially in the vacuum applications where we're mostly using these. I like to take the part in my right hand and wrap the tape over the top. This makes sure that it's wrapping in the correct direction. Make sure that the pipe tape does not go into the fitting like that. All around the edge. You do want to get as close to the edge as possible, but you don't want to go in, otherwise you'll end up with PTFE sort of shreds inside of your system, which you do not want. And then I just pin it down and then rip it. Once you have it hand tight and threaded correctly, then you can chuck it in a vise or use counterforce and get a good tight connection. And you want to make sure that you get that last sort of quarter turn on it. If you're doing a vacuum application, it's very important that you actually check your work. So we're going to go to the vacuum test stand.